Hey, what's up guys? If you're facing this error when sign out and sign into your ChatGPT app on your iPhone or iPad, just don't worry, you are not alone. Many users have reported facing this issue that says your authentication token has been invalidated, please try signing in again. And when you try to sign in again, it doesn't work. No matter what you do, whether you delete and reinstall the app or try to log in with another account, you will notice the same issue repeating. The problem is not with your account, but it's an issue with the cookies in your browser. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix it. So here's how you do it. Go to the settings app on your iPhone and scroll all the way down to apps section. Here, search for Safari. And tap on Safari and scroll all the way down again and go to advanced, then select website data. Here, look or search for openai.com and here it is. Just swipe and delete it. Done. That's it. You have fixed it. Now go to ChatGPT app and log into your account. There you go. It works. So thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. Thank you.